We're here today at Kilkenny Nature Reserve, here to do some tree planting as part of the Adders Recovery Project.
We've got to take measure, so we'll try to get it in a straight line because the straights are...
I'm Dan Winter, I'm Reserves Manager at Gloucester Wildlife Trust. Today we're planting this fantastic brand new hedge, which hopefully should benefit adders by reducing the wind flow that comes through. And we've got all our volunteers here today helping us, so hopefully we should have a great day.
We'll put it on top.
Yeah, put it on top as a mulch, just to put bits of a weed suppressant. Like roots aren't that small.